Inaalam na ng Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission o PAOK kung sinong nasa likod ng Pogo Hub na sinalaki ng mga otoridad sa Lapu-Lapu City sa Cebu. Bukod po sa mahigit 100 dayuhan, may na-rescue rin doong Pinoy na menor de edad. Nakatutok si Nico Sereno ng GMA Regional TV.
Sinugod ng mga tauhan ng Presidential Anti-Organized Crime Commission, NBI, DSWD, Interagency Council Against Trafficking at Bureau of Immigration ang gated compound na ito sa Barangay Agus, Lapu-Lapu City, Cebu. Meron itong aabot sa 10 gusali, swimming pool, restaurant at iba pang pasilidad. Pero bistado ang mga computer at gadget na ayon sa mga otoridad ay ginagamit sa scam.
This is 100% an illegal pogo. Illegal po ito kasi wala pong pogo na may lisensya dito sa Cebu Province. Zero. So illegal na po ito. Lahat ng mga nakita namin dito ay enough evidence to be able to file a cybercrime offense dito for facilitating cybercrime-related gambling, cybercrime-related qualified trafficking.
Inaalam ng mga otoridad ang laman ng mga nasamsam na computer sa Pogo Hub. Sa paghalughog sa compound, tumambad ang aabot sa 150 banyaga. Hinold sila ng mga otoridad para sa investigasyon.
What are you doing, sir? You're working here? Or
No, I don't know, sir.
why are you staying here, sir, in this place?
I don't know.
Huh? Sorry?
I don't know.
We also discovered that the Chinese nationals here were also engaged in activities that appeared to be related to scam activities.
Ayon sa PAOK, may 5 Pinoy na manager at administrator doon.
Most of these foreign nationals actually escaped from Pampanga. So after our raid in Pampanga, yung mga managers nila, yung mga owners nila, they were brought here. According to their stories.
May na-rescue ring Pinoy na menor de edad.
Yung minor na interview namin, pupunta lang siya dito just to teach one of the guests dito to teach her parang dancing lesson.
Ikinasa ang operasyon sa hiling ng Embahada ng Indonesia. Nitong Hulyo kasi, 3 kababayan nila ang nakatakas sa compound. 2 sa kanila ang nagsumbong sa mga otoridad at naghabla.
The Indonesian embassy requested our Director Jaime Santiago, for investigative assistance to rescue their citizens who were allegedly being held against their will. 6 Indonesian nationals who were requested for the rescue. We discovered more foreign nationals, particularly Indonesians and those from Myanmar, as well as Chinese nationals.
Inaalam na kung sino ang nasa likod ng Pogo Hub na ito at sino-sino ang mga biktima nila. Inaalam din ng PAOK ang posibleng ibang Pogo operations sa Cebu. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Nico Sereno ng GMA Regional TV, nakatutok 24 oras.